Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue rectangle ABCD along with these line segments AE and this line segment EB, as you can see in this given diagram, such that these two line segments AE and EB are perpendicular to each other. And moreover, this side of this blue rectangle AB is 221 units, whereas this segment AE length is 21 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue rectangle ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on this blue rectangle ABCD. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue rectangle, and now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area is always equal to length times the width of the rectangle. And in our case, the length of this blue rectangle is 221. However, the width of this rectangle is unknown. So therefore now we are going to focus on this right triangle AEB, and now we are going to calculate this segment EB length. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 221, whereas our two other legs are 21 and this EB leg. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got our leg EB square plus 21 square equals to 221 square. Let's simplify furthermore. We are going to get EB square plus 441 equals to 221 square is 48841. And now I'm going to subtract 441 from both sides. And here we can see they are gone. So therefore EB square value is going to be equal to 48 and then 400. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore we can see that our EB segment length is going to be equal to 220 units. So thus our this EB segment length turns out to be 220 units. And now we are going to focus once again on this right triangle AEB. And now we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle AEB. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 220, whereas the height of this triangle is 21. So therefore the area of this triangle AEB is going to be a half times 220, and then our height is 21. And if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us 2310 square units. So thus the area of this triangle AEB turns out to be 2310 square units. So thus we figured out the area of this right triangle AEB, and that is 2310. And now our task is to calculate the area of this whole blue rectangle ABCD. And here in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular EF on this side AB. And as a result, this whole blue rectangle has been divided into the two rectangles. This is one of the rectangles, and this is another rectangle. And now we are going to focus on this tiny rectangle AFED. and its diagonal is AE. So therefore the area of this half of the rectangle is going to be equal to the area of this half of the rectangle. In other words, if the area of this triangle is a sub 1, then the area of this other triangle is going to be a sub 1 as well. And now we are going to focus on this another rectangle FBCE. And here we can see EB is the diagonal. So therefore we conclude the area of this triangle is going to be equal to the area of this triangle. If I label the area of this triangle as a sub 2, then the area of this triangle is going to be a sub 2 as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of this right triangle AEB is going to be equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So therefore we can write the area of this triangle AEB as a sub 1 plus a sub 2. And we can see the triangle AEB area is 2310 as well. And if we compare these two equations, we can write a sub 1 plus a sub 2 equals to 2310. So therefore we can write a sub 1 plus a sub 2 is going to be equal to 2310. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And furthermore, let's focus on this whole blue rectangle ABCD. Its whole area is going to be equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 2. If we add all of these one, that is going to give us 2 times a sub 1 plus 2 times a sub 2. And if we factor out 2, that is going to give us 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So thus our blue rectangle area is going to be 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub 2. And now from equation 1 we know a sub 1 plus a sub 2 value is 2310. So we are going to substitute that value over here, 2310. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So 2 times 2310. If we multiply, that is going to give us 4620 square units, the area of this blue rectangle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue rectangle ABCD turns out to be 4620 square units. In other words, the area of this blue rectangle is going to be equal to 4620 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.